Your lesson essential question is how can you find the unknown side length of a shape? So we're going to be looking for the unknown side today. An unknown side means a side that we don't know the size of. So it might be inches, it might be meters, centimeters, feet, but we don't know the size of it. And we have to use clues to figure it out. So just taking a look at this first shape right here, they've given us the size of all the other sides, and they've also given us the total perimeter. So we need to use what we know to figure out that missing number. Let's take a look at how to do that. So this problem says Lilia is making a decoration out of straws and cloth with lace around the outside. How long should she cut the fourth straw to use all of the lace? So first of all, what is this problem asking us to find? Okay. How long she should cut the straw, right? So taking a look over here, we know the lace is 22 inches. We want to use all 22 inches. Lilia needs to find the length that will give the shape a perimeter of 22 inches. Here's the decoration right here. We've got 1, 2, 3 of the sides. We need to figure out this fourth side. We know that all of these sides added together will equal 22. Now, if you take a look at this equation, this is how we're going to solve it. So all of the sides, 8, 6, and 4, that we already know, are added together, plus the missing one. All of that together is 22. You can draw a bar diagram to help you figure that out. So here's the bar diagram. The entire thing is 22. We have 8, 6, 4, and then our missing number. We need to start by adding what we already know together. So 8 plus 6 is what? 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 plus 4 is 18. So 18, now we know 18 plus something is going to equal 22. So how can we solve this? 18 plus something is 22. We can count up or we can subtract. So 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. I made 1, 2, 3, 4 jumps. So the answer here is 4. Or we can flip it around. Think of fact families. Use the numbers we already know, 22 and 18. So 22 minus 18 is 4. So we can count up or we can count back. We still get 4. So that missing number is 4. It's really important that when you're solving problems like this, you're using what you know and you're kind of trying to figure out, can I draw a bar diagram? Can I add? Can I subtract? So you really need to be using your brain and putting together what you've learned about fact families and about shapes and about grouping numbers together. You're going to be practicing this today.